broke my leg!
Oh my gosh, Jorge, are you okay?
No, my leg's broken. Oh.
Let's use your phone to contact someone.
Okay, hold on. Oh, it's dead! We gotta do something. We can't just stay here. Let's look for something.
Look, there's a plane.
Where?
Over there.
Woo! Hey, let's use my phone to fly down in the plane, right?
Alright. Dude, you have to turn around.
Oh, sorry. We are trying to figure out how far the plane has to travel to get exactly right over the heads of this strand of people. To figure that out, we have to use sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So, the distance opposite of the angle is x, and the hypotenuse of this triangle is 2 miles. So your opposite angle is x, and your hypotenuse is 2. So if we would plug it in, it would be sine of 75 equals x over 2. Now we want to get the x alone. So we multiply by the denominator, so we multiply by 2, and what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we multiply sine of 75 by 2. So now the x is alone, so you're left with 2 sine of 75 equals x. When you multiply that out, x equals 1.932 miles. So the distance the plane has to travel to get exactly over the stranded people's heads is 1.932 miles.
Hey, what was that? What are you talking about?
Bro, something flashed in my eyes.
Hey, man, I think I see somebody. Oh, yeah, let's go save them.
Alright, man. I'm gonna jump out first.
You alright? Okay. Problem, the plane has flown past the stranded people and come to a complete stop. They will jump out of the plane 100 feet to the ground and run towards them to come save them. The angle the plane makes with the stranded people is 60 degrees. We are trying to find the distance the seals have to run to the stranded people. To find that distance, we have to use tan. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So the opposite of the angle is x. The adjacent is 100 feet. So we plug it into the equation saying tan of 60 equals x over 100. Again, we try to get x alone, so we multiply by the denominator. In this case, it is 100 now. When you do that, you'd have to do it to the other side, so 100 times tan of 60. So now you're left with 100 tan of 60 equals x. The final answer is x equals 173.205 feet. So the distance the seals have to run to get to the stranded people is 173.205 feet. Yeah, we're good.
Let's call Julio to get the ladder.
Julio! Problem, the stranded people have been saved by the seals, and they need to get to the landing point of the hospital to fix George's leg. The angle in which the plane makes with the ground is 89 degrees, and they are 100 feet off the ground. We are trying to find out the distance in which the plane has to descend to the landing point. To figure that out, we need cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent of the degree is 100 feet, and the hypotenuse is x. So we plug that into our equation. Cosine of 89 degrees equals 100 over x. Now this one is different from previous problems because the x is in the denominator. We still do the same thing and multiply by the denominator and do it to the other side. So now you have x cosine of 89 equals 100. But you have to divide cosine of 89 because you want to get x by itself. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So you are left with x equals 100 over cosine of 89. So the distance in which the plane has to descend to the landing point is 5,729.869 feet. That is the x.
Just like, why is
Okay, I'm done. Thank you.
Give me again. Thank you.
You have the light on.
Is it? No damn.
Yeah, I can't take a picture of the plane. Good.
Where did you start? For something, let's look. Go.
Look, there's a plane.
We gotta wait.
Fuck. Thank you.
Do I like fist bump the dog?